All right, everybody. I'm excited about this tour today. Today we have the 2021 North Trail 31 BHDD. If you guys like videos of RVs, please make sure to like and subscribe. This camper is coming in at about $27,000. The dry weight of about 6,200 pounds. But let's go ahead and start just with a little bit of the outside, just show you the outdoor kitchen. Then we'll come back in and break down the inside a little bit better. Alright guys, just wanted to start off right before we get into the camper, just show you how much of a beautiful night we are working with. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Again, it's the 2021 North Trail Ultralight Caliber Edition 31 BHDD. This thing comes chock full with a bunch of features, and first and foremost, it is the King Kong size storage, which if you guys are into laughing, I know some of you are, some of you aren't, but if you are, make sure to check out my funny playlist. I did a North Trail where I'm talking like a king, and yeah, people seem to like it. But right here, right off the bat, you have your exterior kitchen, and this is one of the nicer ones. If you look behind here, you have a place, you can plug in your cable. There is an outlet right there, but you notice that you have plenty of places to, prep your meals that you cook on your Fancy Pants Flame King. Love the name of that. Gosh, it's just, I like it. I like it. You got your sink with an actual drain there. And you have a place. Well, it's locked up right here. There's a strap, but it's a refrigerator. You guys know what those looks like. And I'm going to head right on inside, but you do have access, exterior access to your interior bathroom, which is always nice, especially if you have this, you're getting the bunk house, so you probably have kids. We know how dirty they get. Places to go in and wash off before they trash up your camper. But you walk right in, the first thing that you notice, your oversized booth dinette. You quite literally have room for the whole squad in here, and it does drop down to a pretty good size area for, two adults to sleep. I am 6 feet tall and I could sleep on that comfortably. Plenty of space, goes all the way back. You got storage all the way around there. Nice looking light fixture, good looking, whatever those things are called. And you come right on over here. You got a place to actually put some shoes underneath there, hang up some jackets. So many campers, they just don't have places for you to hang up anything. As most of you know that have had campers before, just how valuable storage is, which you guys will love that. Especially when you're talking about $27,000. Not only are you getting places to sleep, a bunch of people, but you also have places to put their stuffola. Nice sink. You got an actual part of the cabinet right there. You'll notice that is a real countertop, people. Nice little looking backsplash right there with your 3-burner stove. You got a little gray stone oven there. Bake yourself some cookies, something nice, something tasty. Big boy storage. All the way back, elbow deep. And as most of you know, if you've seen my videos, I am 6 feet tall with normal sized arms. A gray stone microwave for all your popcorn and cooking needs. It's a good looking man in the reflection. But take a look at this camper, as a whole. It's a place for kids. You have your huge bunk beds in the back. I mean, those are double wide, and I mean double wide. They are absolutely massive. But what I like about it is this entertainment area. You can see it from both the dinette and the sofa right here, which I'll show you here in a second. But look at how this thing is set up. I mean, you have absolutely massive storage all over the place on this thing. All the way around. You got that, look at that cubby hole there. But look at that. I mean, there is just a ton of storage. It is a nice camper that you can actually fit everything in at a price that you can afford, which is really what we're all looking at, when we get a camper. Decent sized TV. You got your Furrion hookup there. Just about every camper's coming with that. And right over here, you have your nice pull-out couch. Get some additional sleeping there. It'll come out to about right there. Just enough space so you can sneak on by. But check out these big boy teddy bear bunk series. Fits 200 pounds, I believe. Now, the bottom one is a 300. And the top one is a 200. So you got plenty of sleeping space. 500 pounds worth. You guys are good to go. Right here is this, the bathroom, where that you have access to the outside. So that's always nice. You got a nice little tub there. So if you got little ones or anything, you just got to clean their feet. You have a place to actually make the tub. Place to put your knickknacks and your paddywhacks. But yeah, check this thing out. And guys, if you guys want to keep seeing more campers, keep spinning the love with me, make sure to like and subscribe. Maybe even comment something. A lot of you guys don't like to interact on that, and that's okay, but it does help me out. But check out that bed there. And that does lift up to a little storage area. And underneath it, if I remember correctly, you have more storage underneath right there. Now down in here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but you do have USBs and outlets on either side. And plenty of storage. A little on-off for the lights, so you can shut those off or you can leave them on. If you're the kind of person like me that likes a little night light going on. King size bed for a king. I might have to rewatch that video that I made. That was a pretty good one. But what I really like is it's got the sliding doors. You know, a lot of campers are going away with that, but I do think it makes a nice little touch. We'll give you one more peek around the inside here real fast. Then we're going to step outside. I'll show you the exterior here. And if this is where you guys head out, appreciate you watching. It means a lot to me. Put in a lot of effort. I know sometimes it doesn't really necessarily seem like it, but these videos are time consuming. Large awning. This only is about halfway that it could be. Nice bright LED lights. That is exactly what we're looking for. Your Lincoln hose reel there. That's part of our shop, not the camper. Spare tire and carrier. That does go down, so that way you guys can put some totes there. Carry whatever you might need. And right up here you will notice it's prepped for a Furrion observation camera. Run you about 550 smackaroonies installed. But this is a nice camper. They sell very well. They look sharp. And having that nice bright white exterior, you know, really goes a long way to reflecting that light and that added heat like some of your darker campers will. You have all of your outlets here for, you know, your gray tanks and all that, your holding waste tank, all that good fun stuff. Here's a little peek of the Nobo if you guys want to see that. Might do a little video on that tonight too, but pretty cool little camper, the 10.6. Got a little toy hauler back to it. There's the other side of that King Kong storage. The head goes down on that side. Feet come out this side. You guys are good to go. Now on this one, we do have your power tongue jack. This thing is hooked up with the Blue Ox weight distribution. Goes forward and reverse with ease. It is one that I highly recommend. Runs you about 750 smackaroonies. 2 propane tanks. But again, the North Trail Ultralight 31 BHDD 27,000 6200 dry. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys have made it this far. God bless you and have a wonderful night.